In this video, I'll show you how to backup and restore contacts on Android phone. This video is going to be super helpful, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Now to backup and restore all your contacts, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go ahead and find out the contact application. So I have my contact application here, so I'm going to open up the contact app. And from the contact application, you just need to go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And you'll get to see your Google account. You just need to tap on contact settings. And this time you just need to tap on accounts. And inside the account and sync, you'll get to see a few different options. You just need to scroll down a little bit and here you get to see the Google. You just need to select the Google. Now from here, go ahead and select your Google account. And he'll get to see all those options that are synced with your Google account. So he'll get to see the contact is turned off right now. So you just need to enable this. And this will start syncing now. But if it doesn't sync, you can tap on this more button here and tap on sync now, and this will start syncing all the account that is associated with your Google account. And once you do that, this will take a little time and all your contact will be backed up and restored on your Google account. Hope you find this to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.